All right, here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and explain why I'm buying gold really quick. Okay. So, like I like to trade is from the top bottom, and what I mean is I start with the highest trend. Okay. I'm not a. I believe I have migrated from scalper onto like just a more longer trader. I'm mostly looking between 20 to 60 pips per day. That's basically it. And I learned a big lesson today, and that's just all you need. So one trade is good. But anyways, let me go ahead and start with the monthly. So right now we're looking at XAU versus USD. As you can tell, this gold, right? We're comparing the value of gold versus the value of the United States at this particular time in life. So since if you start on the monthly, you can see since the beginning of time, 2007, you can immediately see something, right? I'll go ahead and point it out if you don't. Where is my arrow? From the beginning of time, boop, all the way up. We got an uptrend. Let me go ahead and pick a better point, just so you guys can see, because there's a solid one in here. Now the way that I pick my uptrends is by the most hits.
Mm.
That's how I do that. All right, so the tips right here, tips. So
Hmm.
the more hits, the stronger the trend line. Okay, so this is a prime example of that. And look where we're at. We're at the bottom of a very strong trend line because since 2015, November 2015, you can see here that it's been on the uptrend. So that's a good sign of continuation, right? Um, so I'm using that in conjunction with the knowledge that this looks like a very similar pattern on other timelines, if you notice. Okay. If you don't, I'll go ahead and show it to you right now. Since the beginning of time, we've been on a what? On a uptrend, right? Look at that channel right here.
Hmm.
Since the beginning of time, we have been on the uptrend. Look how it respects that. Boom, 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 boom. This has been going on. So now you can see how I'm using data from 2008 to tell where the price is going to go in 2018 and into the future. All right. So this is telling me something very important, and that's going to be. Let's see. Can I turn this guy?
Hmm.
Uh, wait.
You should be able to, bro.
There we go. It's a bullish market. All right. So this is telling
Cool.
me. And this is how you want to chart your stuff out. You know, you want to go ahead and write it on there. That way you can remember next time you come back to this. Oh, what is this? You know, what's going on? Bearish movement. Yeah, bearish movement. Okay, that means there's more buyers than there are sellers. All right, so now we got we got one, two, three. We got three indicators already without using no indicators. That's a
Mm.
tongue twister. All right, so now we got three notations of what the market is doing. All right, but it doesn't stop there. It gets even better. So if we want to go ahead and count this like a normal trend, what do we have?
An upturn.
What is this? Up first, first push.
Oh, okay.
Look at
Yeah. One,
that.
1, 2, 3, baby.
Yeah, you see it now, don't you? Ain't that crazy?
Mm.
Right in front of you. Right in front of you. First correction. And this is on the monthly. You know what I mean? And then this third one. This is your second push. So right now we're doing our second push. That's a big reason why I'm buying. Because we're in our second push to the up. Second
Mm.
push to the up. And why are we in the second push? What is this called? What is this 1, 2, 3 called?
The guard lead. No, no, no. The Elliott wave
Yeah, there you go.
is
So we did
one.
our first push.
Mm-hmm.
Boom, boom. We're right here. We're gonna get this big old push up. All right, that's gonna be a big jump. But this is long term. Obviously, this is monthly. So you know this is gonna last you to the summer. okay, up in a uptrend. All right, now this looks like a lot. I'm gonna go ahead and share this with the class. I like to do this. I'm gonna go ahead and hit a snippet real quick, because I'm gonna work my way down. Like I said, you want to spend a lot of time with just one pair. You want to really caress and massage it, okay? You don't want to take any shortcuts with your charting. This was gonna make and break you. All right, so we got that. All right, so we got so many signs to the uptrend. Also, what we can do, you guys asked me a lot about some of the tools that I use. I use Fibonacci. Okay, let's go ahead and start it out. Boom, even on the freaking monthly, what we got? A 38.2 retracement. Wow, I didn't even know that. I just picked it up.
So we right in the retracement.
Boom, 38.2. Now we're riding back up to the north. So how do you project where price is going? You go if it retraced to the 38, that means your take profit is the 138. So this is where my take profit is.
38 to 1. Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
So the value, I'm saying value of gold is gonna go so much higher than the value of the United States dollar. And it's going to make so much more sense now when you think about it. I'm explaining the psychology behind it. But right now, just this is just pure charting, technical analysis, okay? So technical analysis tells me 38 retracement, 138 take profit. There's another way you can do this. History repeats itself, okay? I'm going to show you something trippy, real trippy right now. All right, so just so we can clean up our chart a little bit. Oh, I hate this notifications. Crap. Get off my screen. Oh, go. Hold on, I'm trying to get that to get off my screen, but it won't go away. Okay. Anyways, all right, let's start with first screen. All right, sorry about that. Technical difficulties. All right, let's continue. So I did like my Fibonacci on there. That wasn't too bad. Bottom to top, we got 32 retracement. All right, let's see. This is a little trick, right? I learned this from Christopher Terry, pretty sure. Start from the bottom leg to the top retracement, and all you gotta do is multiply it for your next take profit. I'm not joking. Multiply it, no modifications. This is your next take profit. Oh my god!
Oh, that's dope. That's would that be considered an extension?
That's confluence, bro.
Confluence. Okay, okay, I got you. I see that all day, man. Wow. That's super simple.
I can't make this up, bro. Like, and you can do the same thing for this guy, for your retracement. You can tell months and months into the future using this knowledge I'm sharing with you. History likes to repeat. All right.
Man, you can trade that whole move if you decided then.
Yeah, bro. Yes. That's what I'm getting in right now. All right, so let me go ahead and delete. So now listen. That's just the monthly. I didn't even get nowhere else. I'm just on the monthly. And look how much time we spent. You know what I mean? Like that's. But the more you do it, obviously you're not gonna spend 15 minutes. Just
right.
Like boom, 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 boom. All right, bet.
Right.
All right. So now we know overall is monthly. Take note. Cool. Now let's go to the weekly. Get my little auto. All right. Damn. Now here we go. This is money, right? Since November 2015, we have been on a cuckoo bearish train, bullish train to the top. We have been straight bullish. Look at all those touches. Okay, so that's very important information. Now, how I like to zone, that I was shown by most of my mentors over at YLB, shout out. I prefer like to trade with zone to zone. That's my style. All right. So right now we're at the bottom. We're gonna go up. So I can get a couple take profits here. This is on a so now we're on a weekly. I'm just showing an example of where some of my take profits can go. We can go to at least right here. There we go. Then we're gonna at least go. This gets real choppy in here. But if I'm just trying to look for touches and all that, yeah, this is real choppy. I don't like that. So I would go to the next top, yeah. Something like that. If what I am thinking, so what could happen right here, since this is a pretty strong zone. Why is this a pretty strong zone? Because we have touches here. 1, 2, broke it, retest, it came down. It's just a place that is touched in the past. Look at that. It's touched in it's respected at some point. Okay, so that's why that's such a critical line. So right now we're actually kind of getting in a wedge, but we just tipped off the trend, so now we know that we're going to the upward. So it could start to squeeze. This is on the weekly chart, so we can do this right here. Bull. And then bear.
Until it pops out at the end of
Until it pops up. Yeah.
Gotcha.
It's gonna pop up. Then after it pops up, it has to retest. After it retest, it's gonna go up. Now, why did I know that? Why did I know it was gonna do that?
Why did you know it was gonna go up?
Yeah. Why did I know it's gonna make this pattern? Break, retest, continuation. I'm gonna tell you. Hold on, I got you.
The zones right there in the middle. Oh, okay. Let me shut up.
I got you, bro. Hold on. It's because it's done it in the past. Look, broke, retest, continuation. That's all it is.
Is that simple, Sanchez?
It's that simple. Like, it's that simple, bro. Like, history repeats. That's it. Look, I don't have no indicators, no moving averages, nothing. That's what it's going to do. Why? Because of the what? How many confirmations we at now? I lost count. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's how much indication you need as a trader. We're like at number 7 confluence, and we just keep, and we're only at the weekly. Like, we ain't done nothing else yet. So that's how important this information is. So let me go ahead and take a little snippet of that. That's pretty dope. Remember, I've never charted this before in my life. This is my first time. This is live.
You doing good, man.
Appreciate it. All right. So I gotta kind of hurry up. I'm sorry. So we got too much time. I don't think. What much time I got? Actually, no, tell me. Okay. Let me just make sure it is recording. Yeah, it is recording. Okay, cool. So we're going up to the upside. That's my theory. All right. So we're at least gonna go up to that line. So let's go ahead and measure what all that is. But first, let's get a clean chart. All right. You don't want to confuse yourself. So if I entered right now and I got into the next zone, got to the top of the zone. Where's the zone at? Where the touches are? Right here. Boom. Okay. So how many pips is that? Looking on the weekly, how many pips? How much money do you want to make right now if you could just do one trade and hold it out? Would it be worth it? Would it be worth it?
What does it say? 996?
That's let's see what what's his name have to say. Where'd homie go? Oh, Jonathan. What answer? Is he in there? Yeah. Aaron, how many pips is that? Aaron, how many pips?
That's 100.
Huh?
100.
There you go. So that's 100. That's 100 pips. If you just want to take that first profit.
Wow.
And that's safe, right? Safe. Why is it safe? Let me see. And also, you can see on the weekly, we had a double top up here. This is just something you want to notice. So these patterns, there's just all kind of patterns that are across the world. Like you just gotta see them. All right, so one. I hate that I have to keep doing this to get to the goal. This is so frustrating.
Yeah.
So frustrating. But anyways, this was a double top right here, so that's why it came down. So if you seen this up here, you would enter a sell and you went down to at least this zone. That's it. It's just that's another zone right there. This is on a weekly.
You just opened my eyes, man,
There.
because I was definitely trading, and I felt like I was guessing, and I guess I was doing it the right way.
How you
I just gotta be confident in it. That's all.
This is so simple, bro. It's like fucking kindergarten, blocks and colors and drawings.
Mm-hmm.
You know. So so right now, so gold could do that. Looking on this weekly, but like I said, it could reject that line. It could reject it because it broke it. This could be a retest, so you can buy the retest for 100 pips. It's either going to reject it and keep going down, so it is possible that it could reject and go down. You know, that is possible. It had a double top, so that means it has a little bit of momentum bearish wise. So it's very well it could drop. Okay, and if it rejects it, where are we taking it? We're taking it to the next zone. Boom. You don't get emotional. If you take a loss here, take your win down here. That's it. And you move on. That's how you keep a high ratio. Right there. That's it. You just keep going with the market. Why do I think it would do this? Look at this. If you ever want to know the future, look at the past. Has it ever done this before? Has it ever you already see it, don't you?
Man.
Has it ever broken? Just ask yourself, has it ever done this? Has it ever broken, retested, and then continuation? Actually, look at that. Boom, right there. Mm-hmm. So if it does do that, it has a chance to go that low. But that's my take. That's my take two, right? My take one was right here, because I do what? Zone to zone.
Mm-hmm.
Always do zone to zone. So if you reject it here, I exit here. Why? Because it's done it in the past. I forgot the other arrow for you, my bad. So it did this off of a double top. Look, that's a pretty much exact move.
Mm-hmm.
And the way, here's your, about to blow your mind, about to blow your freaking mind. All right, you ready? These zones oftentimes match up with who? Fibonacci. Watch this. So if I measure, what do I want to do? Measure bottom, top, bottom. Yeah. Put that right there. Put that right there. Look at that. Right around the 38 too. So I know that looks a lot. Here, let me do. What should I do? Let's get rid of the arrows. That's missing and stuff. Oh. Okay. So look at these levels. Where I put the yellow lines at. And watch this. I do bottom top. Yeah. Okay. So measuring from bottom to top, right? My yellow line matches up right around the 38.2 retracement. So what does that mean? That means my zones are matching up right with it. I bet you if I take this up to a little bit higher, I can get it right there. Look at that. Identical. Everywhere my Fibonacci was key levels. Key levels. There was always something going on at these key levels. So that's what I'm saying. Right now, you can buy at least to 38.2 for pips for that 100 pips, whatever, or you can go up to the next retracement level, and so forth and so forth. So that's a note. Each retracement level can be treated as a take profit or a take loss zone. All right. So let's go ahead and delete again. Like I said, I don't have a whole lot of time, so I'm gonna run through this. I want to get through the psychology stuff. All right. So looking at gold, going back to monthly, I don't even need to go to 4 hours because I'll spend way too much time. Sorry, but anyways, monthly's uptrend on the gold. Let's go ahead and go to the value of dollar. Actually, that was gold versus dollar. I'm sorry. So now look, if we go to dollar, it's on a what? It's on a downtrend. So oh, we got 10 minutes left. Okay, guys. Look, all right. So we got a downtrend. Okay. I gotta go by really fast. We're on a downtrend for the dollar. All right. So that's why I'm expecting that gold's gonna go higher than dollar, because if we go ahead and go to the value of gold itself, which is I'm sorry. Yeah, let's go to the value of so I mean that's really it. Yeah, that's all we're gonna say. Because there's Dixie, which is the value of currency, and then there's gold, gold versus USD. So yeah, so gold has always been going up higher, basically, and right now the dollar value itself has always been going lower. So that's just confluence that's going to the down south. All right. Outside of that, if you want to think of a psychology level, this is just my personal opinion. I don't want to hurt nobody's feelings. But at the times that we're at right now, with like the value of currency and then all like the world wars and stuff like that, and then now with cryptocurrency coming in, like being like uber secure, and decentralized, and the banks not be able to control it. I mean, they're still obviously pumping it up with all the cash they have, but we're all picking up. We're getting more and more farmers and stuff like that are building up more of these cryptocurrencies, and people are starting to pour money into it, right? So what is that relationship with us trading? Well, the relationship is we're taking away the value of the dollar. Okay, the dollar is actually trying to keep up value, because with cryptocurrency, with nothing backed up, just only the backing of cryptocurrency is pretty much a belief system, right? We don't want somebody else to be control of it anymore. We all want to be free, kind of thing. So that's my take on it. So as cryptocurrency and other internet things come available, the dollar has continued to prove that it's going down. Um, and then gold is going up. So that's why I'm buying right now. Okay, so as far as entry and stuff, we got a couple more minutes. Let's go down to 4 hour. You can see that we're on an uptrend right now. Um, this could be the retracement of this, right? So what did I say earlier? History repeats itself. So if we're on a 4 hour, this is gold versus dollar. Boom. We did it earlier. We've seen that. We've proven that it works. Just clone it. That's going to give you my second retracement. Okay. So we can expect at least to go up that high. How many pips is that? That's a lot. 230 pips. So if I clone that, oh no, I can't clone that. Yeah. But anyways, that leg right there is 230 pips. So that's how much I think we're good in for this gold versus dollar trend. Also, if we want to go ahead and zoom in on a 1 hour, we did break a zone, and then now we're retesting it. Where is that at? I think it's right here. Yeah, that's it right there. See, once you get so good at just looking at price on your chart, you're just gonna be able to spot things out so easily. So you can say right about there. All right. So as it gets wedged in, remember guys, we're getting wedged in. That's why this is getting smaller and smaller, right? Because we have higher lows, and then we have come on, it's not gonna act right with me right now, is it? Let's see. I was gonna say it's having lower lows, lower highs, which it is. I'm just trying to get a good angle to show you guys. Right about here. Starts here, goes down here. See? So it's getting wedged in right here. Okay, guys? All right. So right now, This is what I'm seeing on the 1 hour. So this is what I'm using for entry. So right now, what did we do? We broke. We broke through. We broke through that trend line with strong resistance. Okay. And then I hope you guys can see this before it cuts off. Oh, I got 5 minutes and 30 seconds. Okay, cool. All right. So it broke through resistance. Broke through the floor. All right. Then it respected this trend line we drew. It's respecting that trend line. So after it broke the floor, but it hit my trend line. So after it hit my trend line, it went back up. It broke through the roof now. Okay. Then it broke the roof and hit my downtrend. Okay. So now that it hit my downtrend, it's retesting the trend line. So also in confluence with my horizontal trend line, it's confluencing respecting my diagonal trend line as well. Okay. So now what can I expect? A buy. A buy to where? A buy to the top. So this is my entry off the 1 hour. Now the next, if you want to get real, granular, yeah, you can go ahead and go down to 15 minutes. What you're looking for is you're looking for price action to tell you when to enter. So in a sense, you're looking for candle patterns. Okay. So on the 50 minutes, you can see a lot of wick rejection off that zone. Right. Wick rejection means high support. Means very respected zone. All right. So price doesn't want to go there. It loves that zone. It's respecting it. So again, that's just more confluence that it's going to the upside. It's so simple, guys. All right. Also, price action. What do we have right there? We have a bullish pin bar. Right now, what time is it? It's 10:13. This is the 30-minute. Okay. By 10:30, let's see if this bearish candle turns bullish. Okay. My thinking is that yes, it will. Why? Because even on a 15-minute, what do we have, guys? Right here. It's right here, guys. We have a downtrend. Like it's literally everywhere. All right. So guess what? That downtrend was broken with the candle we're in right now. The 30-minute candle has broken this downtrend, even right here on the 15-minute. So you can get, this is top notch. Also, let me blow your mind. This is showing I can also do this really quick. I got 3 minutes. I can do another video if you guys want, but I can do a video on the pitchfork. Here we go. Pitchfork. There you are. Okay. Top. This is how you do it. You have to pick a previous point. You pick a swing high, pick a swing low. Boom, look at that. Magic. I've never done that before. And look, broke the downtrend, retested it. Now it's going to go up. If you don't see it, I'll try to draw it out. I don't have that much time. 2 minutes. So here we go. Boom. But it might not do this, It might not. I could be full of shit. You never know what the market's going to do, but this is just my theory. So we have a downtrend. Broke it. These areas, these pitchforks acts as they act as a form of support and resistance also. So you can use all these different lines together to tell you if that trade's good or not. And let me tell you, you just want to get the most possible, and this stuff will just start poking out to you easily. So where we at right here? That was bearish. We got about 2 minutes, guys. All right. Does anybody have any questions? Anybody got any feedback?
I was gonna let everybody else ask their questions.
Oh, we got about a minute left. Go ahead and put it out there. What do you guys think? Does any of this make sense? Have you ever thought about it this way, or you don't like it? What's up? Do you disagree with me?
I don't. It looks dynamic to me. Makes a lot of sense, Sanchez.
All right, so here's our 15-minute entry. You know what I mean? And what do we do? We buy off the retracement. So here's our entry. Less than 1 minute, guys. I'm sorry. Entries right here. Off that retracement. Off that testament. We're doing a buy. To the top. Because remember, we're on an uptrend. XAU versus USD. Sanchez signing out. Ugh. See you guys.
Thanks, man.
Yep.
Really appreciate it. Open up my eyes.